Jess, we are at the Honda Ride Free event, which is unique for BSB, and it gives you the opportunity to ride a bike for the first time. And this is free from CBT, this is free from having a license. Turn up, kit and the bike, and it's going to be your first go.
I know, I'm so excited for it. It's really interesting because I've always wanted to do it, but I've not been able to because by the time you've bought your helmet, your leathers, you're about 500 quid deep. So it's really good to come up, no commitment, get on a bike, see how I get on, and maybe I might do my bike license after, so.
Cool, okay, well we'll catch up after you've had a go, but what a unique opportunity. Like, as the guys are going around, you get to ride a bike.
I know, so exciting. I might need help someone taking my lid off actually. Chad, do you want to take my lid off?
That's your first ever ride.
Ah!
That's the first time you propelled forward on a motorcycle in your life. How cool is that?
Honestly, I'd tell you what, the first time I did it was actually really difficult because you've got so much to think about. You've got the clutch, you've got the throttle at the same time.
You did it, you did it. You are literally a motorcyclist now. I mean, not BSB, I don't think Erwin and the guys are a bit panicky, but it was just, I don't think I've ever seen anybody smile so much whilst riding a motorcycle.
I was so happy.